Yeah, man, we at it again, as it. Right Spark at it again with another one. Brand new episode, brand new video, you see me? Now, me I say right now, man, just fed up our system, brother. Fed up our system, brother. You see me? Can't party again like one time. Can't enjoy and full joy ourselves like one time. Like 5 and 7 years ago. I mean, we did feel said bad them time, but look for now. Fed up by this system, brother. I talk about 5 youth of them unalive. 5 people them of them unalive for Waltham. You see me? 6 because according to news sources, one youth get unalive and shot first. And then them do reprisal and knock down the 6 round the corner on another lane. You see me? I say people. So right now you don't even know which part of the party safe again. It's like ghetto youth have to go start go uptown, go play domino and card and party because only uptown safe. You see me? Very disheartening. It's a sad time in Jamaica. But what? People them asleep in the system, you see me? People them now wake. Them just move like some zombie, you see it, they not open their eye and see what going because to how me see it, it will get worse because I know the first time it happened. Remember Cherry Tree Lane. But when you get to understand with Jamaica now, them say it's not a real place. So it seems like Jamaica is an experiment. You know what I say? And guess who a suffer? Ghetto youth a suffer, you know? Because them can't try certain things with the uptown people. Them. Right now you see ghetto youth and ghetto people them and poor people are dead in a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 right now. 2024. We done party, brethren. We done play domino on the front. We done play card. Done play poker. Done with the front. Done with the corner shop business. So how the bartender gonna make money now? Tell me. How the bartender gonna make money? Because a car just drive up and spray and 5 man lay down flat tear up. Flesh gone there so, flesh gone there so. But yet still, when I hear the people them a block the road the next morning and I say, oh, injustice that against humanity and Jamaica. But say police and soldier they go up on a wanted man mission and knock down 5 wanted man. You just see road block, tire, bun, and all of that. And we see mother of them go out there and lick down 5 one time. The only thing we see Prime Minister gone in the community and say one what them out do, bag of empty promises. And them 5 man them can't resurrect. You see me come like as Vado and governor say earth and hell. So what we are going to do about that, Jamaica? What we are going to do? Only thing we can do stop party on the front. Because if you sit down and play some domino and play some card pack with a group of people, you don't know at any minute, any hour, man them can just drive up and turn automatic and walk. 4, 5, 6 lay down, lifeless, unalive. Stop party, virgin. Stop party. Stop spend my money. And if you look out at me, I them paranoid on the front. And I see it come like Jamaica is really not a real place. But you see until when gunman in the mother of them kill people, unalive some man and you see people start block road. And that's alone you go see Jamaica start change. People them have to just brave up and know. So you see when the mother was then knock down some man, you block the road too. Don't just block the road when police and soldier knock down man. Because you know some innocent people in the 5 or 6 that were drop out what they from Waltham. So just tired of the system, but the system just get worse and worse and get to you. You see me? You work and when you have to relax and enjoy yourself, you have to paranoid on the front. You can't enjoy yourself again like one time. So hear me I say now. Speak up on yourself and look out on the yard. That's it. Mm-hmm.